Welcome back to Mongo's Garage. Monday evening here in the garage, just finished up with the boys. Been messing with my phone. This will actually be take 4 because my phone doesn't have enough memory on it to make a 10-minute video. So, let's see if we can get this done this time before my time runs out. As you can see, got some new color. Yeah, that's right. We got everything on the cab here done in color over the weekend. Saturday, we went ahead and finished all the body work up. This was part of the body work that needed finished on that cab corner. Just needed scuffed up. I think I put a couple more, maybe 1 or 2 more applications of mud in it. Sanded it out. Really happy with how they turned out. Again, you guys know that we did the quarter panels inside and out. And then, like I said, we got everything prepped on Saturday. Got it painted in color. I'm sorry, primered on Saturday. After church on Sunday, we came and prepped everything and went ahead and put it in color. My main objective was just to do the inside of the cab and the back of the cab and the front of the bed. That way everything would be ready for assembling the bed and getting it back on there. Well, I went a little overboard and just did the whole cab. Figured why not, right? Just get it done. I was really surprised when we opened the paint. I fully expected it to be gold, more so than this tan, but it is Sedona tan, which is a factory GMC color, Chevy color from back in the 80s. You can see here as well, we went ahead and got the inner fenders in it. Boys did a real nice job painting them, and then I did a real nice job covering them in overspray. So we're hoping that Rowdy's Wash will have the appropriate soap to get that overspray off. Did some engine dress-up work. We got chrome valve covers on it now. You can see we got the fan shroud back on it. I don't know that that's going to be the air cleaner lid we end up using, but that's the one that's on it. I'm kind of partial to it. I like it. I like fins, but I did donate something to the job. Yeah, that right there is why that engine runs so well. Well, I don't know that it runs so well. It's a 305. We're not really sure. I think they're going to be happy with it. It is what it is. But the paint didn't turn out perfect. We did get a guy trying to give us a little hitchhike there. See that little bug? I hung a couple runs in it, but the runs are free, right? A little extra paint. We are going to end up color sanding the whole truck once I get it all painted in one color. Got a little bit of junk in it down here. You'll see another little run, a little sag in it there, some junk. But overall, I'm very happy with that body work. I think if I get just right here, what do you think? And that's a real light color. But yeah, very happy with it. I think Braden and Brad, the owners, are very, very happy. Moving on, we're doing some sanding on the bed tonight, trying to get everything done on the bottom so that we can get it put back on the truck. There was a big dent, ran the length of the bed here. Actually, it started on the cab, but there it is. It actually ran straight down through there. You can see that that's what all that mud's there for. But it's a skim coat essentially. I mean, the thickest area is down in here where it might be 1/8 of an inch thick. I actually had got the bar back in there and pushed it all out as best I could. A little bit of mud here, which in a Chevy pickup truck, I mean, that's where they rot out, right? I actually did replace the pieces inside here, all covered in overspray, as usual. All that's been replaced. These, like I said, the rear dog legs were replaced. I just got this mud on tonight. It hasn't even been sanded off yet. Got a free fender. One of KJ's buddies gave us a fender. KJ had hauled a truck for him. And found out that he had a fender that was hanging out in the field. And we ended up with it. It's going to need some work. It's got a couple dents, little dent there. One up here, one here, one here. Right there, one up here. And then I think one on the very top. Right there. Nothing we can't work. It's going to be a lot easier to work that than it will be the mud. I'm sorry, the rust that was on the other one. The inside of it was pretty good shape. No rust to speak of, other than right here under this bracket. A couple little pinholes there. Yeah, so looking at this side of the bed, we were working on it tonight. I was having a problem getting this corner out. I had a low spot right through here. And I actually think it was because of how I was sanding it. It's gone now. But then once I got that done, I ended up with a real high spot through here. You can almost see it even through the mud yet right there. So I took a hammer and brought it down. Same thing back here. I had a real high spot right in this area. Matter of fact, it's right there. Then I stuck my finger in it like a smoker. But what are you gonna do, right? So this will have to be sanded off. There's that again, same thing. Coming around, yeah, this side was done too. I'll show you that. This up here is all done. But I mean, we're gonna have to do some more at the very top of the bed once we get it turned over. But I like to do the bottom of this bed right now and make it look really good. You can see the front. It's not a show truck. I am not a SEMA builder. This truck will be driven daily by a teenage boy. It is far nicer than anything I drove when I was 16 years old, I'll tell you that. You can see there why I did the stencil. Lucky Costa from Hot Rod Garage did that to a intercooler on the front of a 3000 GT. And I said, oh, that's a good idea. So I went ahead and did my logo up, and we put it on the front of old SpongeBob Square Body. If you want to follow me during the week, I usually post a lot on Instagram. This, my last video from last Friday actually did really well, one of my better videos that I've ever done. There is a whole YouTube channel, Mongo's Garage. I think I've got something like 60 videos of past projects that I've done. KJ's truck, my son, that's Henry the Third. Then there's BOV1, which is my 83, 86 Ford Bronco. BOV2 was my old Super Duty, things of that nature. But lots of stuff on there to watch if you guys want to keep up with us. We've already got a couple other projects in the wings here. Once this truck is out, KJ has a midget. I have a midget that we're going to be building. His will be stock. We're going to end up putting a big motor in mine. But before we do that, we want to finish off my brother's El Camino. So that'll be a quick project once we get the square body out. So yeah, that's our Friday night update. I did get all the metric wrenches in. Pretty happy with how that turned out. Makes it really nice. That sun machine, or I'm sorry, the exhaust gas analyzer, the sun unit there, you may notice that. I'm going to turn that into a telephone power station. I had a full sun unit engine analyzer that I had as a entertainment center, but it was taking up too much room and I ended up selling it. Got pretty good money out of it, actually. But yeah, you can see there. So very happy with it. I got to get my TV mounted again. But yeah, we're getting down there. That's about 8 minutes. Like I said, I am not doing this video again, so we're going to get ready to sign out. But that's all for this night. You guys take care.